Yeah, we got 2008 Commodore V8, and the change lights on, you can tell, and we got a focal to the crank shaft sensor, and apparently the sensor been replaced. I'm not sure why, but yeah, so I have to find out what's going on there. Right, there's the starter motor. Now we're seeing up here. Maybe the sunlight. Right, there's a crank angle sensor. Looks nothing wrong with the plug at the moment. So it's a new sensor being fitted. So let's see. Right. Yeah, it looks alright. Okay. Right. The light green wire should be 5V supply from the computer, but now I measure the resistance between this wire and the ground is a 473 ohms, so probably not right. So now I'm in the signal return wire. It's a 3.7 k ohms, so things should be okay. Right, I connected battery back, and now checking the 5V range here. It's 5V there, so it's not being pulled down. It's fine. I got a 5V at the signal return wire, so it's pulled down design, I think. Okay. Got a new sensor out. 1, 2, 5, 8, 5, 5, 4, 6. Not sure what brand this. I'm trying the original sensor. So apparently the blue with the white wire is a signal wire. Yeah, all right. 0V layer got pulled down. All right, it's doing something. Right, new sensor back in, plug back in. So got 5V there. Stay in the blue with the white wire. Doing nothing. Wow. Right, I have a look at the part number and both sensors. They look all identical. Focus. So, but to me, maybe the older sensor is just not able to handle heat anymore. So then what becomes open circuit in some stage. So, but the new one is not good. So, well, I got a new OEX parts here. Same part numbers. They want to fit it. So, see again. All right. New sensors plug in. Right, car starts, runs, no check engine lights, so yeah, I think probably will be done surely. So go for a road test, then should be fine. Okay.